That's right. I am in Vegas, baby.
You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about.
Okay, remarkable lifers, I hope you can hear me. I am in Vegas, and I've had a few days of shopping and running around with the car, and so today I'm trying to explore.
Turn left toward East Flamingo Road.
Oh, that was my, you probably couldn't hear that, but it was giving me my walking instructions. So I'm out walking, and I'm on the strip, and sunset was beautiful, but there's so many people, and so that's just not my thing. Anyway, but I really want to see the dome, the geometric, or the big dome center that they've built. I'll tell you all about that, and so it's right there. Now I just got to figure out how to get to it. So I've been walking for about a half hour, and anyway, I'll show you. You can walk, they said. The concierge at the Marriott is not my friend right now. Oh, you can walk, but I'm almost there, about a mile. You can see it off in the distance. This better be worth it. The things I do. Okay, here we go. I am literally walking through a construction site. This is like, look at this. Some sketchy street. Never trust Google. I mean, there's plenty of traffic. There's cops everywhere, so I'm not worried about it, but it's pretty though. Okay, remarkable lifers. I know you can't see me very well, but this is for your benefit as much as it is mine. I wanted to show you the MSG Sphere here in Las Vegas. Right now it is on full sparkles. It's been everything from outer space to the earth to advertisements. So, but apparently this is a music venue. It's massive. You can't really see how big it is from here. I'm in the middle of a construction zone. So it's just absolutely beautiful, and it's kind of mesmerizing to watch. But I don't know that it was worth walking a mile for. I had to walk almost all the way down the strip. I'm at one end, and I had to walk all the way to the other. I don't know, that's kind of cool. Well, here, I'll show you some of it.
You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go, just let go. Just let go. Oh yeah, just let go. Just let go. Just let yourself go. Let yourself be. Me and you, we're holding back each other in the things we do. It's all so blue. Yeah, what if we could grow just like the flowers through the calm.
But as with most things that I look at, this is kind of the real miracle in the whole thing. Just people getting to see something beautiful. So, all right, I gotta go walk. It's 100 degrees. It's like 9 o'clock at night, and it's 100 degrees. Water. I just figured out the entire plan for Las Vegas. Let's bring everybody into 110-degree heat and then charge them $5 for a small bottle of water. I'm gonna make a killing. Oh, and you can't use our bathrooms unless you're a customer. Oh Lord. So I'm skipping the high roller. I've done that before. If you look back on our videos, you'll see trip on the high roller. But today I am by myself. I'm not gonna pay to go on the high roller. I'm tired, but I'm in trapped in another mall. I hope there's an outlet to this one. At least maybe I can find some place to get some water.
You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go, just let go.
Some people love this. And all of Las Vegas, I remember 3 years ago when we were here, 4 years maybe, was like, don't smoke pot on the strip, don't smoke pot on the strip. They've lost that battle. Whew. Contact high. Nothing against it, but misters. They have misters. Very nice. So I got me some Giordano's. It's a mini pizza and a drink, and I'm gonna take it back to my room. And it could take me a month to get there, but I don't care.
Like each other and the things we do, it's all so blue. Yeah, what if we could grow just like the flowers through the concrete, just you and me.